Good morning, senor.
Good morning, señorita.
Give it back.
Hola, familia! How are you today?
I want it back. Give it to me.
No. I don't have the time to give you the proper instruction.
How are you today? I'm going to show you Zorro! Oh yes! The new controller by Express ELRS. The new controller by Radiomaster. They are the masters of making the radios. It's so nice. I'm getting my Borat mixed up with my... Hola, how are you? Today I'm going to show you the Zorro Radiomaster controller and tell you what I feel about it.
Not bad.
You have to understand that not all FPV pilots know all the ins and outs of everything.
I have had the proper instructions since I was 4.
Some of you, like me, are beginners, and all this stuff can be very confusing. So, instead of going and telling you it has Edge TX or Open TX or all the little things everything does, I'm going to tell you it feels very nice.
Not bad at all.
I like the way that it feels in my hands. And mi manos feel very good. Muy bonito. And now, the handles over here, they have this nice softness, which I really like. But they're very annoying when you open and close. Sometimes they don't want to open and close.
That's not on properly. There you go. I have to. Comes off incredibly easy, but when you go to put it back on, sometimes it doesn't.
Nick Burns agrees too, even though he doesn't say it. You can see it didn't actually click in properly, and now on the other side it's kind of open too. You're going to see, he flips it over, see it's sticking out on the side underneath. He's going to have to click it in, so there you go. They could have done that better. That is the thing I hate the most about this. Like, look at this. Look at this. What is this? So annoying. So annoying. I want it to close properly.
This will make it more difficult.
I want it to close properly. I like how this feels, but I hate how it closes. It's so not very smart. Muy estúpido. Okay? Then, the screen, I wish they built it down here a little bit, you know? Because this will last forever, I guess. At least you can see if you're a senior. It's very nice and senior-friendly screen for the Zorro. But Zorro, you know, Zorro is tight and small and acrobatic. We fit into small places, you know. This is not very Zorro, it's not very secret-like, it's not very hidden. It is very much like a senior citizen controller. No offense, seniors. I like Slog, FPV, very nice senior FPV man. Watch him, very good. Now, the number 2 thing I really don't like are the gimbals. They're very tight. I like it to be loose. I want to feel like I am not restricted. I want to spend lots of time playing the simulators. I don't want my fingers to get tired or suffer from fatigue, you know? I'm already suffering from COVID fatigue. And I don't have my Zorro-like body right now. I am fat. You cannot see, but I've been eating too many churros, okay? But these gimbals, they were so tight. So, the number one thing that I suggest you do is you take your gimbals and you adjust them. You make them more loose. And that was a little bit difficult. Not so easy, but we can do it together, okay? What else? My jumper T light, it died. I was not going to buy this because of the senior screen, but my jumper T light died, so I knew I needed a new radio, so that's why I got the Zorro. And I have to say, now that I loosened the gimbals, I like it very much, okay? So, should you buy it? Yes, you should. And if you do buy it, use my link below, okay? That way, you help me to do more good for you. You know, support me, okay? I love you. Okay, now, if you want to adjust the gimbals, come with me to my next video and let's do it together. Make sure you do it with me, okay? You put on your TV, put on your phone on a stand, sit at the table, do it with me together, okay? Together, we are in this together, okay? Goodbye.